Hey guys, another fine red week on the crypto, down about just under 10,000. A few sort of bits and pieces of news, not too much. The new Terra has come out, Terra 2.0. The original is now Terra Classic, and yeah, it's not had the best first day. 68.5% down. I did say I thought sort of the maths on this wasn't going to work out, and certainly with this price, it looks like it's really not going to work out. So, yeah, glad I never got involved in that. Sort of made £30 on it, buying the little sort of tokens after it crashed and then sold out. But, yeah, go for that at your own risk. But, yeah, you've got even people like JP Morgan now saying they think we've bottomed. So they were saying sort of the previous big spike low is capitulation, and they're now seeing it as their sort of, it's overtaken real estate as their preferred alternative asset. So they may have another preferred alternative asset, presumably gold maybe. They're saying it's one of their preferred alternative assets, but yeah, they see the fair value as $38,000. So, yeah, don't know whether you should trust JP Morgan really, or sort of people think of them as the Fed's sort of inside man, basically, in the banking world. But yeah, interesting that they're sort of getting involved. CEO Jamie Dimon still sort of very much dislikes crypto in general, but I guess they think if they can make money out of it, then they'll do it anyway. So yeah, just looking at the coins themselves, Bitcoin's held up sort of really pretty well, at 2.5% down, where sort of most of the others, Ethereum sort of into double figures, 10.7%, Cardano nearly 14, Solana 16.5. Was considering sort of buying some of that at 40 odd. They've had a few sort of outage issues, and I think they said the blockchain clock is now wrong. So if you make a transaction, it'll say like it was 30 minutes before the real time or something. So yeah, they do seem to be having a hell of a lot of issues, but it's still running with sort of 2,000 transactions a second, so still seems pretty good. I'm kind of betting that they might be able to sort of resolve their issues. Still think if I'm putting money in, I was sort of talking yesterday about withdrawing some dividends and putting it in crypto. I think it would probably go partly into Solana. What else we got? Chronos down 10%. OMG only 7. XRP 8. Not too bad. Power Ledger 5. It's not too bad. Seeing them in sort of some sort of industry reports about sort of renewable energy sort of going forward. It's weird when you sort of look for news on some of these coins. You see like some of these reports that are £3,000, £4,000, £5,000 reports, and they'll sort of give you a brief overview of what's in them, and you get sort of tokens mentioned maybe. So not sure who's buying these reports for £5,000. Industry, I guess. Basic attention token 9% down. Internet computer 11. Probably have to have a look at their sort of Twitter just to sort of see what's going on if I want to be putting in any more. Don't really sort of hear too much of them in the mainstream news. Audius 23% down. They sort of had a good week last week, so that's no surprise. Again, struggling to sort of see any real news from them. Just seems the platform's running as it is and sort of shedding users a little bit. So yeah, that's not gone too well. If I see anything though, I will probably still invest, because still bullish about the music industry in general moving to crypto. And yeah, the little 3x long Cardano not doing too well, of course, in this market. I maybe should have sort of used that 40 quid just as a hedge, maybe get one of the 3x short tokens, but yeah, time's passed now. So, yeah, that's sort of pretty much it. I don't know whether I mentioned that I sold Stellar to put into sort of the other tokens, Solana and bits and pieces. Yeah, I'll just leave all of these sort of zeros here because I've still got to do the tax reporting. But yeah, let us know whether you think we should be trusting JP Morgan and calling the bottom here and buying. But yeah, leave your thoughts in the comments below and like and subscribe. See you soon.